I'm going to show you how to set printer security permissions to limit who can print to specific Windows printers. So to start, I'm logged into my print server, and then within Server Manager, we'll come to Tools and then Print Management. Within the printer management, on the left hand side, we can come to our print server, and then come to Printers, and then we can select the printer that we want to modify the permissions for. We can then right click and then come to Properties, and then come to the Security tab. So by default, the Everyone security group has permissions to print to all of the printers. So what that means is, if this printer receives a print request from anyone, it will then print the job. What we can do is, we can remove the Everyone security group. So now only the administrator and administrators can print. And then we can press Add. And then now we can add in security groups or specific users that we want to enable printing for. So if we want to limit this warehouse printer to people within the warehouse printer security group, what we can do is we can add the warehouse printer security group, press OK. We can then select the security group here and then make sure print is enabled. So now the only people that can print to this printer is the administrator, anyone in the administrators group, and anyone in the warehouse printer group. We don't just have to do security groups, we can do named users in here as well. However, I'd recommend using security groups as they're easier to manage. Once you've modified the security permissions, you just need to press Apply and then OK. And now this printer has been modified, so the only people that can print to it are people that are listed with the Print Allow permissions. So that's how to modify printer security permissions to limit who can print to specific Windows printers.